I didn't see you. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I'm making my mom a delicious vegan meal. I have a salad going. We got lots of delicious veggies that I'm currently chopping up. And I also have a pasta going on the stove. I'm also going to share my nut dressing recipe with you today. It's a dressing that I show a lot in my What I Ate in a Day videos, and you guys request a recipe for it, so I hope you enjoy it. We're going to be putting it on the salad today, and you could feel free to change it up, play around with it. I'm going to be using pumpkin seeds, raw cashews, and walnuts, but you could use any kind of seed or nut you want, and you could also add more or less liquids to make it the consistency that you would like. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue cooking. And here's the beautiful salad before I put the dressing on there. There's some spring mix, arugula, some shredded cabbage, different bell peppers, some cucumber, onion, strawberry, and beets. I made this nut dressing thinner this time. When I'm using it strictly as a dressing, I'll make it thinner. But if I'm gonna just use a dollop of it on some veggies or something, I'll make it a little bit thicker. So I change up the liquids. Right now this is a good consistency for a dressing. Now I'm going to mix this all together, and there's the salad all mixed together with the dressing.
That's good.
Good morning, veggie peeps. I started the day off with a cup of coffee, and now I am moving on to some lemon water. I'm going to drink a few glasses of lemon water throughout the rest of the morning. So I have an organic lemon, and I put in a couple of drops of the stevia, and yeah, I'm going to drink a couple to a few of those. I had 3 glasses of lemon water, and now I'm having some of this iced tea that I made. It's absolutely delicious. It tastes like fruit punch. I boiled some water and I brewed up about 5 bags of this delicious tea from Trader Joe's. It has hibiscus tea and some peppermint, orange peels, cherry bark, lemongrass. It's really good. And then I did about 5 of this raspberry green tea, 5 of those bags. And then I just chilled it in a pitcher, and it is so good. So I really recommend this. If you could get like this tea especially, it's really good, and then mix it with like any flavored green tea, and it will taste like fruit punch. Really good and good for you. For lunch, I'm just gonna have some veggies and hummus. Some hummus mixed with a little salsa, and this might sound very sad and boring to those of you who are not vegetable lovers, but for myself, who is a huge veggie lover, this is a very satisfying, delicious meal. And I do have this often. I'll have one of my meals just be a bunch of veggies and some hummus, and I love it. It's low in calorie, high in nutrition, and yeah, so this is a bag of organic rainbow cauliflower from Trader Joe's. It's one of my new favorite frozen veggie mixes. I love it. And this is another one of my faves. It is a bag of Brussels sprouts for 99 cents. What a cheap meal. Can't go wrong. I love it. Well, if you don't love Brussels sprouts, then this isn't going to excite you, but I love Brussels, so very exciting for me. And I do eat all of this for myself. Well, I share a little bit with my dogs because they love veggies and it's good for them too. But I do eat almost all of this myself, so almost 2 pounds of veggies. And yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping and get cooking this. Another reason why I love making just veggies and hummus, I'm super lazy. All you do is throw it in a pan with a little water, cook it, and it's done. Quick and easy. My veggies are cooked, and I wanted to show this. I know I showed it in another video, but I saved the water that I cooked the veggies in. I'm gonna save that and use that to cook a stir fry tomorrow. There's still nutrients in there and save some money instead of using vegetable broth, so I like to do that. And look how cute my mug is. And I'm gonna have some hummus and salsa with it. So I'm gonna have like maybe a little more than a serving of hummus, maybe 1 to 2 servings, and then I add some salsa and I mix that together. I like the combination of hummus and salsa, and I like the taste, and it also makes the hummus go further because I got a lot of veggies to dip in there. And I love hummus, but when you buy store-bought hummus, it does have a bit of sodium in there, so I don't want to have too much. When I get the salt-free ones or the low-sodium ones, I go to town a little bit more with the hummus. And I can make my own. I have done that, but as I said before, I'm lazy, so don't judge me. And there we have it. Some hummus, some veggies, super easy, delicious, nutritious meal. Bam. I realized that I didn't show you my plate of food. I showed you that I was having the pasta and the salad, but I forgot to show you after I plated it. I just had a lot of salad and a little bit of pasta. I don't really like to have the fake meats and cheeses that much, so I made that more for my parents because they like that kind of stuff more, so I like to eat more whole foods. But I did have a little bit and it was freaking delicious. So it would definitely be a crowd pleaser if you are trying to make something for somebody that's not used to vegan food. I highly recommend that dish. I'm gonna have a recipe video coming out for that soon. It was really freaking good. I had to stop myself. But yeah, I had a little bit of that, and the salad and pasta were both really good. Yeah, I'm ending the night with a bowl of popcorn. If you watch my videos, you know the deal. And I got some Whole Foods popcorn. It's good. Not as good as the, you know, vegan cheesy popcorn, but it's still good. I like popcorn. Something to munch on at night. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.